Today we got a video from Bodycam Network USA, and the title of the video is Gas Station Worker Calls Police on Extremely Intoxicated Woman.
0.08. You are
okay.
0.202. You're almost 3 times the legal limit.
God damn.
Alright, at this time, you're being placed under arrest for OWI.
On September 21st, 2025, officers with the Ankeny Police Department responded to a call from a gas station employee who reported that a woman had arrived clearly intoxicated and was about to drive away.
Hello. How are you doing tonight? I'm good. So, the reason I'm here, my name's Officer Mickey with the Ankeny Police. So somebody was a little concerned about you, said you may be intoxicated, okay? Yes. And that this is your car. That you look like you were trying to drive away in.
I'm not driving away in that car personally.
Who's driving then? Yeah, okay.
No, I'm not. Me personally, I'm not.
Who's driving it then?
One of my friends is supposed to.
Right. How'd you get here?
My friend.
Where's your friend at?
That is a very good question.
Because I got some people saying that they watched you come here, but you're in the store yelling and screaming. Okay?
Yes.
So what's going on tonight?
Okay.
Where were you at before you came to this quick start?
My mama's house.
Okay. Where's that at? Okay. What were you doing there?
It's hard to explain, honestly, because it's like I'm mentally not well.
Okay. I see you got a wristband. Was that from a bar?
Yes, it is, but I went in there and that was before I went to my mama's house.
What bar was it?
I can't even tell you, to be honest.
You don't know what bar you were at?
It was just a call to make sure I was okay. It was just a call.
Hey. Did you see the lady get out of her red car? Or did you see her driving it?
I see her get out of the driver's seat, yeah.
Got out of the driver's seat? Okay. He saw her get out of the driver's seat.
Which one, the guy with the beard?
Yeah.
He said he saw her pull up and get out of the driver's seat.
He saw her get out of the driver's seat.
Everybody's the same. That's why I'm asking.
I'm struggling with.
Take it out.
We're at that bar that you don't remember the name of. How much did you have to drink?
Like one drink.
One drink? What did you have for your one drink? Like a beer, wine, whiskey, vodka. That's what I'm asking.
A mixed drink, I guess. I don't know how to exactly.
Yeah, like a rum and coke or something like that?
Yeah.
Just one of those?
Yeah.
And then you went to your mom's place?
No, I actually, so what exactly happened was I was outside of the bar.
Okay.
Waiting for a Band-Aid.
Alright, so you and your friend are looking for a Band-Aid?
It don't even matter, bro.
Why doesn't it matter?
Cause
Why doesn't it matter?
Cause it don't matter. I ain't dumb. I know exactly how this shit works. So you do whatever you want me to do. I'm not talking. However you want me to cooperate, I will do exactly what y'all want me to do. I'm not saying nothing else. I'm not doing nothing else. I'm not resisting. I'm not doing nothing more, doing nothing less.
So if you live in a car, why are you down here?
What the f you mean? What?
What are you doing down this way?
Hello, it's Ankeny. What? You expect me to live in Elkhart my whole life with no... I'm confused on what the question is, I guess.
You said you were at your mom's house.
Yeah, I'm at my mama's. That's where I live. everything like that. She knows my history. She knows my past. She knows everything that involves with me. It's just hard on her. Oh, what do you guys have now?
I'm asking what your name is.
No, not you. Them.
What on the sidebar?
Yeah. What's your name?
Emma
Emma what?
Bushman.
Can you spell that? You're okay.
Yeah.
Have a seat. You're good.
Perfect.
I was just asking, where's your address? What?
Freaks that lead in there.
All right, Emma. I'm gonna be real forward with you, okay? Because I like honesty, and I'm gonna be honest with you.
Hold on then.
You're okay. Hey, take a breath. Look at me. Emma, look at me. Emma.
She ain't dumb. She know what time it is. We know y'all gonna sit there and arrest her. We come on. She know that. I know that. You know that. The other officers know that. Come on, like this is where we at. Come on, let's skip the BS. Let's get to it. Lock me up. So bring me downtown so I can bond out, man. You know, she know she brought it upon herself. She wasn't acting right. She went in there hooting and hollering and all of that. Probably demanding stuff, whatever, being a nuisance. She knows she messed up. Let's get it over with. Now the officer wanna, well, hold on, be easy, relax, as if you not gonna lock her up. Come on, we know what time it is already.
Okay. So you've clearly had more than one beverage. I can smell it in your breath, okay? Do you want to turn and tell us again how many you've had?
No, I don't know.
Okay. Okay, let's just take a walk over here, okay? I'm not going to handcuff you. I'm just going to walk with you. Will you walk with me? Emma.
I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, she don't give a fuck. Let's lock her up. She ready to go. Let's go.
Let's just walk. Come on.
You answer. Go ahead. Come on. You're fine.
Whoa. You all right? Okay. Just walk over here. I don't want your phone to fall out. Can I grab that for you?
I don't know where it's at.
It's right there. I
Okay,
just don't want that to fall out for you, okay? Right here. I got you.
Hi.
Honestly, I respect it. I ain't gonna lie. She knows she messed up. Turn around. Just lock me up. Let's go. It's time to go, man. I'm ready to go. I respect it. Instead of the whole hooting and hollering and turned around, just lock me up, man. That's what you gonna do. That's what you want to do anyway. That's what's gonna happen. I'm ready to go.
All right, Emma. We've got multiple people saying you're driving. Okay.
I don't give a f.
So, would you be willing to do a field sobriety test?
Yeah, I mean, I don't get her.
Okay.
I mean, I already can't see straight.
Why can't you see straight?
Because I've been crying. Okay, hold on.
All right.
All right.
Do you have any medical issues? Do you have any history of a head injury, allergies?
No.
No. Do you have contacts in?
No.
All right. Have you taken any drugs tonight?
No.
Have you smoked anything tonight?
No.
Nothing? All right, so you have nothing wrong with your eyes?
Mm-mm.
Okay, all right, the first test is all you're gonna do is follow my finger, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Keep your head still, keep your hands down by your side. All right, follow my finger with just your eyes, do not move your head. Understand? Keep your hands down by your side.
My bad. Sorry.
All right. Do you feel comfortable walking in your shoes, or do you want to take them off?
Can I take them off?
Yep, absolutely. You can go ahead and take them off.
I mean, they look good, but I'm sure they hurt.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, they do it just a little bit.
All right, I'm gonna have you come over to this line right here, right on this. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna have to put your right foot on the line. Put your left foot in front of your right foot, heel to toe.
Ow. Okay.
All right, put your hands down by your side. All right, stay in this position and tell you to begin, okay? All right. So.
God damn. I'm sorry, my toes hurt like a bitch.
Okay. Do you have any issues with your legs, hips, knees, anything like that?
issues with my hips. Chiropractor, but I don't know exactly what you take.
Okay. Does it? Do you have issues walking?
Kinda, a little bit. Like I limp with my right.
Okay.
So like I said, I don't know what you give and take from that. So it's
Okay. So you have.
know.
Okay. All right.
okay. So on the night step you turn. It doesn't matter which step you're on, or it doesn't matter which step you're on when you turn. Does that make sense?
So you're gonna take 9 heel-to-toe steps out.
Okay. Okay.
Make a turn with a series of small steps and 9 heel-to-toe steps back. Okay.
Okay.
So return to the starting position like I had you. Hands down by your side. You may begin. Just continue with the test, as I explained it.
I'm gonna do an extra one, okay?
That was not the instructions.
God damn it! Okay, hold on. God damn it! God damn it! You know what? At this point,
Potty mouth, huh?
I lost count. I'm not even gonna lie.
Okay, that's it. All right, the last test
I lost.
is the one leg stand. I'm gonna have you put your feet together, arms down by your side.
Okay.
Stay in this position until I tell you to begin. When I tell you to begin, you're gonna lift 1 foot off the ground. I
Okay.
don't care if it's right or left. You're gonna hold it 6 inches off the ground, toes pointed out. You're gonna look down at your foot, and you're gonna count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop. Keep your arms down by your side the whole time. All right, which foot are you gonna lift off the ground? Your right foot?
Yeah, my right foot. I was gonna say left.
All right.
What the fuck? My bad.
You may begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1100, 101, 102, 102.
All right, you can put your foot back down. All right, at this time, I'm going to offer you a preliminary breath test. Okay?
Okay.
All you're going to have to do is blow in it, and it's going to tell us your breath alcohol content.
Okay.
All right?
Oh, shit.
All right. Go ahead, blowing it. Okay.
Could I see it possibly? No, this?
It's 202.
Good.
So,
Okay. I don't know what that means, but okay.
so the legal limit to drive in the state of Iowa is 0.08. You are
Okay.
0.202. You're almost 3 times the legal limit.
God damn!
All right. At this time, you're being placed under arrest for OWI.
Okay. I ain't gonna lean over this.
What was that?
Do I get an answer? Do I get to ask some questions before?
You want to ask questions?
Yeah.
What questions do you have?
Just about like phone numbers and that kind of stuff.
So, I'll tell you what's going to happen. We're going to go down to Polk County Jail. We're going to do some more paperwork, some more processing there. At that time, you're going to be able to make phone calls. Okay? Do you have... We have your cell phone with us, so you'll be able to use that to make calls down there, okay?
Okay.
Alrighty, so we're going to head back.
I just logged in. He is 13.
Alright, remember, have you sit back.
Ow, fuck. God
Yeah,
damn.
don't sit back on your hands, it's going to hurt.
Oh, I figured that
There we
one
go.
out real quick.
Alrighty.
I can even ask her if I can leave her there, or what?
I think probably the safer option is to
Yeah.
pound the vehicle, you know?
So her phone's at. I can ask if she wants her purse, so we can get her ID.
Yeah.
Do you want your purse?
Preferably, please.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll get it for you. Okay.
your purse?
Huh?
Your ID in your purse?
100%. I know it's in my car for sure. I'm just not 100% sure if it's in my purse or not. I don't know if that makes sense.
No, that makes perfect sense. We're gonna see if we can grab that for you.
Okay.
The woman was then transported to the Polk County Jail, where she was booked and charged with operating while under the influence, first offense, and probation violation. She was found guilty on both charges. If you enjoy the content we produce,
that's why you don't do them tests, man. You know what I'm saying? Why you don't do them tests, man? You had a better shot at refusing everything and getting you a good lawyer, man. Because they didn't. You got an eyewitness of you getting out of the car or whatever the case may be. But this was, in my case, in my estimate, this is beatable, at least to the extent of getting it dropped down to something lesser. But with you doing all the tests and, you know, blowing within the thing and everything, you're cooked. You're cooked. You should have just stuck to your guns in the very beginning and just turned around, put your hands behind your back. I'm ready to go. That's it. I ain't saying nothing. I'm ready to go, man. Let's go. Y'all want to lock me up anyway? I'm ready to go. But it is what it is, man. That's why you shouldn't have went in that gas station hooting and hollering. You think employees don't see drunk people all the time at night? They do. But why they call the cops on you? Because you in there acting like an asshole. That's why. Anyways, yeah, so she got what she got. She got what she deserved. Anyway, I think the officers, they did their job. You know, they got her to do all the exercises, everything. The lady, you know, the lady cop got her to start talking and everything. So it is what it is, man. So I get officers a 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member, and I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.